the kid that had the wow fucking taken away and shoved stuff on my ass.
I just want them good. That's all I got.
If only I didn't have my phone in my pocket, I'd do something.
Don't you dare roll. Don't you do it.
Do it. I want to get that shit on camera. Do it. Do it.
Where did I go then?
Oh.
Okay, who's the one that went?
Behind her. Actually by the dog.
Oh my gosh.
Army roll.
Got me in the penis.
What?
They got me in the penis. I felt it on my tits. Turn the fire.
Or like it's a Modern Warfare game, just what? Get a headshot like.
Hey, God. Put it in.
God, I felt it like 3 times.
I want my M16. I want my M16. Give me my M16.
I don't want it. Don't.
Lucky. Give me my M16 right now.
I think like 3 of my darts are like behind your couch. Probably.
Maybe check.
Because one I think ricocheted off of your gun. No. I think
No, behind the couch.
one.
None.
Yeah, they're probably there.
No. I'm missing one too. I took